Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So today we are Monday, May 12th of 2025 and ADA has had a pretty significant rally this week. So I want to talk about that. Of course, we are Monday right now, so I'm talking about over the weekend primarily. So guys, comment down below if you have been excited to see the numbers go up as well. So guys, like, comment, subscribe. These are things that you can do to help out the channel. Ask me questions, right? Let me know, how much ADA do you have? Where do you think ADA is going in the future? I have price prediction videos. I was going to do another one, but I think I did a pretty good job on giving you guys my thoughts and opinions on that. And I don't just want to make a video to make a video. I have to have something to say, right? So keep that in mind. I'm not just gonna pump out a video just to strictly get views. I gotta kind of want to do it too, right? So let's dive right in. So this is our $1,000 portfolio, and I recorded the video. So if you guys want to see all the picks, see a little breakdown, you guys can go to the channel. I did a video how to turn 1,000 into 10,000. That's the picks, and we're up significantly. So part that is strictly due because Bitcoin is up and alt's begun to rally. Okay, so Bitcoin is at 102.6, so 10 whatever. It's all over the place. Basically, things have been oversold in my opinion. We're post halving, and Bitcoin is just emphasizing its place as the digital gold. It is perhaps the best money we've ever seen, right? So I've been playing around with a little bit of precious metals. That's the name there. I couldn't remember. I'm like, these are just metals, coins. This is a silver dollar. Not a silver dollar. It's a silver 1 ounce coin with the maple leaf. Nothing more Canadian than that. There may be a little bit of shinny on the ice going top shelf. But as you guys know, man, by the way, the moose is sunburnt, so man, my side of my face, my neck is like brutal right now. So if you notice the moose is red, it's not from the moose being a degen alcoholic. It's the moose been getting loose in the sun. So yeah, so that's what's going on there. But guys, Bitcoin just crushing it right now. In my opinion, I think we're just at the beginning phase of where we are going to be heading towards the remainder of the year. So I think the rest of May is going to be good, and then getting into August, September, October, those months are going to be pretty loose, man. So I think we're going to like those. So because of Bitcoin's performance, we've seen ADA absolutely rally. So this is our top pick. Me personally, this accounts for a pretty significant portion of my portfolio and net worth. So seeing it above the $25 billion market cap, I like. But in terms of just numbers, 81 cents, pretty good from the low. So thankfully I was buying at these lows at 25, 30 cents. What was the absolute bottom? Yeah, down here, 25 cents. I got some there, got some at 70 cents down here. So I did buy some at the peak last cycle too, but all in all, I'm doing well in ADA. Guys, comment down below if you're doing well as well. Okay, so we've had that big uptrend. I think ADA is going to perform very well. In terms of numbers, I've been talking about, I think ADA is going to get to a $250 billion market cap, or sorry, $250 trillion market cap. So that's a 10x from here, effectively, just under. So anywhere from a $7, $8 ADA, I think that's even on the low end. We could get significantly higher, depending on midnight, the airdrop. So that could be massive. Bitcoin DeFi. So Bitcoin OS, they're doing that. There's going to be airdrops. More news going forward. Smart contracts, NFTs could pick up as well. ADA's been around for so long now, and just been scaling, right? As it should be. ADA's been, just this, you want to be here, right? With investing, just going up. slowly. Whereas other projects, Terra Luna, just crashing, dying. Bitcoin's another one that's just been like this, right? Probably performing better than ADA, let's be honest. But there's that. I think the best layer ones like not Bitcoin. Let's talk about, well, Bitcoin is like, an OG, but smart contract based general purpose blockchains. You got Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. Those are the big three right now. So those are going to be your safeguards, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. But right now, ADA, man, just looking awesome, man. Like, you're going to see more stables. I would like to see, USDC get in there, USDT even. But guys, comment down below. What else would you like to see from ADA? I just think it's going to go to $7 or $8. Probably take some profits along the way. So that's what the Moose is going to do. That's about it, guys. Like, I appreciate you guys subscribing, enjoying the new channel. Not the new channel, the new videos. I'm not launching another channel. Guys, buy BDAG if you're interested in a new layer 1. This could be a 100x. I did a video on that. You guys can buy a Tangem. So use code Moose. So this is a cold wallet. If you are tired of hacks, if you are afraid of logging into an online exchange or getting into your hot wallet and all your funds are gone, this is going to better help protect your crypto. So it allows you to set up a wallet where, in order to sign a transaction, you have to physically tap the device to your phone using NFC. It's also password protected. So it adds another layer of protection. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you when the Moose is rich. And I'm going to quit the channel when I'm rich. If I'm rich, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not working hard. I'm just going to... I don't know what the Moose is going to do. I don't know. I mean, it's going to get bad. It's going to get bad if the Moose gets rich, right? Lamborghinis. Ugh. Cheers, everybody.